How to share username on TikTok. Firstly, you have to install the TikTok app in your phone. Now you have to open the app in your phone. You can see this is the desktop of your profile and you can see here now how to share username on TikTok. At the bottom there are different options like home, friends, plus option, inbox and the profile. Just you have to click on the profile option. You can see at the top username. Before sharing your username, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Like this, click, you can see your username will be copied. Click on it and username will be copied. Now you have to open your WhatsApp or other application in which you want to share your username. Open any of the chat, click on it and paste it and send it. In this way you can send your username on TikTok. Thank you so much, that was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very, very good luck. Thanks.